Hello, I'm Bryony Harris at QuantMinds International in Lisbon. I'm joined now by Felix Grevy, the Director of Product Management at Finastra, and he's going to tell us a little bit about their platform as a service, FusionFabric.cloud. So just start by telling us about that project you've developed.
Sure, thank you, Bryony. So what we are starting and launching in June this year, FusionFabric.cloud, is indeed a platform as a service which is running on the cloud. And our whole idea is to say that we need to do collaboration between various players, so typically fintech, banks, academics, in order for them to create an ecosystem and be much more productive in a way we deliver a new solution in the market.
So you're talking about your product which uses the general cloud. How does that general cloud help with collaboration?
So, in fact, the big challenge we see in the industry when we discuss with our customer, they want to collaborate with fintech, and academics as well want to join industry player. But the key difficulty is to get access to the software, to get access to the product in order to do the development. So therefore, we have been thinking that if we start to put a solution that is completely as a service, which means that you don't need to download anything, you can just access to the functionality over the cloud, by using standard open API, by using standard technology, it will help this collaboration because contrary to what you have to do when you download the software, you don't need to install it, program it, get access to it. So the cloud is basically solving the accessibility to the software and is helping those players to build new solutions.
Right, okay, and how about for quants specifically? What can you do for them?
Yeah, it's a very good question, Bernie. So for quants, in Finastra, we have developed since a couple of years, so 5 to 6 years now, a very powerful platform for valuation that allows basically to access the latest GPU, CPU, and things like that. And what we have decided to do since a couple of years is to port this platform to the cloud. So we give access to quants the power to access this, to develop pricing library that can be shared using cloud between various players, such as typically fintech, banks, and universities.
And will that then help solve performance, do you think?
So that's another good point, because if you think about GPUs, so GPU is something very hot in the market, so that's the way to solve performance issue. It's very popular in the context of mining for Bitcoins and things like that, but also widely used in the finance industry to crunch numbers, to do Monte Carlo calculation and so on. And if you look at the best provider of GPUs, typically NVIDIA, their latest GPUs are available mostly only on the cloud. If you look at the latest version, the V100, is mainly available on cloud provider because it's so difficult to get access to. So having access to this type of functionality on the cloud, getting access to GPU like V100 is really helping quants to get performance, and therefore our customer, the banks, they can leverage cloud technology to have better performance.
Does it also make things faster? Yeah,
definitely. So typically when we do benchmark, if we compare the speed of a CPU over GPU, we can get from 10 times to 100 times performance improvement, which is crucial if you think about a regulation like FRTB or calculation like XVA. We do need to have fast calculation because of the huge number of scenarios that is run. Therefore, being able to get access to those GPUs on the cloud, on the as a service mode with a cheap access is really a game changer.
Felix Grevy, thank you ever so much for talking to us about FusionFabric.cloud.
Thank you, Bernie.